Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. Yes! Bye. Yes. Ready na ako, Sedan. He's preparing his roast. Dang, are you gonna bring two? Wow.
I would bring two.
Guys, look at this. That's massive though. Oh, that's fresh. That's bigger than my face, babe. He's bringing two of these. And he's gonna put butter, lettuce, cheese,
ham.
Ham? You got ham? He went to the shops today. Good morning, my love. Good morning, guapo. He got ham. Ang ganda naman ng packaging nito, babe. The packaging looks good.
They always wrap it in that. That's just a paper. They always wrap it.
I know it's paper, but I'm just saying the print is good, babe. And nakita ko na yung drops ko. Babe, I found it. It's in my bag, in my backpack. So I'm gonna put it in this bag now. This bag. And then bukas, ililipat ko na naman siya sa isang bag. I'm watching Ant's video. Ang tagal ko na hindi nakapanood ng video. And since I have time.
Whose video?
And Paris. Yeah, I wasn't really watching. But I'm gonna watch right now. Ready na kasi ako to Sedan. Umalis siya kanina. Bumili siya nitong bread kasi mas prefer niya na fresh. And then he will assemble his... Do you want me to do that? I want to do that. No?
You can do it if you want.
Sige, I'll do it. Look how massive that is, you guys. That's big.
You're making it. You can.
Do you want more cheese on this? Yes?
Nah.
No? Okay, good boy. And then we will add lettuce. Guys, di ba nag-chicken kami how many nights ago? Like, I don't know. I don't remember. But, meron kami nito, nakita ni Dan. Sabi niya, lagi daw nila itong ginagawa ng bata pa sila. Like, pinapadry ng mama niya yung wishbone. Tapos, after like a day or two, inaana nila. This is my first time doing it. We don't really do this. Oh, you use your pinky.
I don't know. Maybe we don't. I don't know.
I don't know. How do you do it?
Nah, we don't use that pinky. Too hard.
Too hard. Let's use our pinky. You have big pinky. Are you sure?
That looks weird.
Okay. Ready?
So whoever gets a bigger piece makes a wish.
Wait, babe. What did he say? What did he say?
Whoever gets the biggest piece makes a wish.
Okay, whoever gets the biggest piece makes a wish. Okay. What
Ready?
time is it? Yep, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
Oh! Where is it?
None of us make a wish.
None of us make a wish. Hello. See, I told you we should not let it dry for like few days. Aw, it's right here.
Fail.
It's a fail. Ay, nako. Hinintay pa namin na mag-dry. We waited for it to dry so we can do this. And now we can't do it. Ay, nako, babe.
Now let's go.
That's a fail. Okay, let's go. It's time to go. Tingnan niyo to si Dan. What are you doing?
I'm drinking my coffee.
He's bringing his coffee in a mug. Yung ano niya, yung... Let me hold it, babe. Just let me hold it. And if you want to drink... Why are you doing that? Just being a freaking savage driver. Oh my gosh, babe.
One hand.
That's bad. Your mom will see this and they're like, Raz, please don't let him do that again. Raz, please.
Get the blame.
I get the blame. Do you want me to hold your mug?
Nah, I'm almost done.
You're almost done. Good.
We'll be done
Finish
by the time
it.
I get the cane up.
Yeah. Kasi yung ano niya, yung tumbler niya, akala namin ako lang yung may kasalanan kasi hindi ko siya naaayos na i-ano yung lid. Pero meron talagang leak. Merong ano sa ano gilid, parang merong crack something. So, did you throw it away?
No, for tonight.
Okay. Hello babe, let me check if I have my ID here. Jeez. Oh my gosh, if I don't have it, we have to go back.
Got it?
Wait. Pretty sure I do. Yep, I have it. Oh shit. Yep, I have it.
Did you eat your croissant for breakfast already, or?
I did eat my croissant with my coffee. And then, now, ito, bilihan ako ni Dan ng ganito. Pumunta siya sa bakery kanina, diba? Sabi ko, bilhan mo ako ng kahit na ano, na sa tingin mo magugustuhan ko. This is not something I like. I mean, I will eat it, but this is not something I would like go for. Pero this is something he likes. Really likes. So sabi niya, kung ayaw mo, hindi akin na lang. If you don't want it, I can eat it. Yun. Nag-half na lang kami. Kasi wala akong smoothie. I need something na makakain ko during the break. Kasi kapag hindi, guys, yung chan ko, nakakahiya. Gumagrowl. Growl. Ang lakas niya. Yung parang ano, kumukulo yung chan. Malakas siya. Tapos nakakahiya kasi naririnig ng mga tao. Minsan kahit hindi ako gutom, gusto lang yung mag-growl. I think that's because of the coffee. Where are you smiling? I grabbed the camera, yeah. Dito kami sa Kohl's! Yung workmate ko today, nagdala siya ng ano, bumili siya sa Kohl's ng avocado dip. Tinry ko siya. Ang sarap-sarap, nakakaloka. So, sinabi ko kay Dan, sabi niya, gusto mo ba mag-stop sa Kohl's? Sabi ko, yes. Let's get that avocado dip. Sabi lang niya sa package, babe, the package just says like avocado dip, but I'm pretty sure it's guacamole because it's not just pure avocado. I can taste sour cream in there. So,
okay.
Try it, babe, and you'll be like, yes, might be right, yes. It's right here, guys. $2 only. What is that?
Maggie B? Yeah, Mum said like the Maggie
Ah.
B. It's an under.
Okay.
Place we gotta go to.
Ang weakness ni Dan. Half price pa. La babe, all of them are half price.
All the chocolate.
All the chocolate. Are you in heaven? Oh, we have this. Lyra gave it to you.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
We have it bigger than that, babe.
No, same size.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You haven't eaten it yet?
I've had a couple.
I shouldn't be eating right now, but this dough, Doritos, and this avocado, sobrang mura lang, guys. $2 lang. Kung taga dito kayo sa Australia, get the one from Kohl's. It's only $2. It says avocado dip. Yummers. Sarap niya. Can I bring chips to the footy?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Si Dan wala siyang pakialam sa chips. He just had one chocolate. Yung Lindt. Sabi niya, one chocolate a day keeps the doctor away.
Yummy.
Don't kill me. What are you eating? Carrots. We're cooking beans. Pero nandito pa yung pork. Nilagyan ko siya ng chicken stock para yung sabaw namin is masarap. Chicken stock. Meron na yung, inuna ko yung pork at saka, no. Una is garlic and then onion. Una is garlic and onion. Tapos nilagay ko yung pork. Actually, si Dan gumawa nito. Nilagay niya yung pork. And then kapag parang luto na tingnan yung pork, nilagyan ko siya ng chicken stock. And then right here, we have carrots, we have green beans, and then capsicum. So, yan lang. Kapag sobrang malapit na maluto yung pork, ilalagay ko yung mga, yun lahat. Yung green beans, yung carrots, tsaka yung capsicum. And then, yun na. Yan na ang aking green beans with pork. Oh, babe, are you gonna cook rice? Or, I'll cook it.
Just so that they can't see it.
Rice is cooking. And then, ito malapit na din siya. So, nilagay ko na lahat, guys, nung luto na yung pork. And, hintayin ko na lang na parang maluto din yung vegetables. Yes! Hindi na ako nag-add ng soy sauce or siguro mag-a-add ako mamaya ng salt and pepper to taste. Hello, babe, are you drinking wine?
Yeah, not yet.
I can see it in here. What wine is this, babe? Oh, I don't like that. Wala na kaming Moscato. We have heaps of soft drinks. I know it's bad. I don't really drink soft drinks anymore. Not hindi na ako ganun kamahilig sa soft drinks. Noon talaga, as in, sobrang addict ako sa Coke. Like, halos araw-araw umiinom ako ng Coke. Pero ngayon, hindi na masyado. And, yeah. I think it's better for my health. Char, my God. Ano ko lang to. Hahaluin ko lang siya ng maayos. And, malapit na ito maluto. Ang maganda sa chicken stock is, may flavor na yung chicken stock. So, hindi na kailangan, magtimpla pa ng bonggang-bongga. And, yeah. Looking really good. Lapit na ito maluto. You hungry, babe? May tawag siya doon. Yum! Is it good, babe? It's really hot.
Oh.
Kain tayo! Kain tayo?
Kain tayo.
Love you.
Love you too.
Mwah. Tapos na kami kumain. Iko-close ko na tong vlog na to. Actually, guys, meron palang announcement si Dan. Babe, do you remember that announcement you made during our unboxing? I actually didn't include it in that video because it was too long, but I did save it somewhere. So, I will be including it in this vlog.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, merong announcement sa Dan, and that's gonna be it for this vlog. So, after...
The Adelaide one?
Yeah.
Make sure you put that in your title.
We'll see.
Adelaide people aren't going to watch it unless you put it in the title.
Okay.
I won't watch it.
Okay, so, merong announcement sa Dan! Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and do not forget.
Oh, let's also, if you're from Adelaide, let us know in the comments below.
Okay. Why?
Let us know.
He wants to do a meet and greet.
I don't want to do a meet and greet. I want Rhaze to do a meet and greet in Adelaide.
But you're gonna be there.
I'm busy.
You need to be there. Oh, wow, busy.
I'm busy. So if you live in Adelaide, meet and greet.
Babe, you can't say that. If it's a meet and greet, it needs to be like, I don't know how people do it really. Like some.
Or if you live in Adelaide, just comment below, and then Rhaze will be in touch. No, leave it on this one, and we'll do another one.
What?
Alright, done.
You respond. If you're from Adelaide, leave a comment below in English so he can understand, and he will get back to you. See, it's your idea.
Alright.
I can't say I'm getting back to them when I can't.
Okay.
Yeah? In English, guys, para maintindihan niya, or just say I'm from Adelaide. Yay! Dad will do meet and greet. Meet and greet.
Alright, come on, drag it on.
And that is it for this vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Good night, babe.
Good night.
Good night, guys. Bye.